Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn your account has been locked for violating community guidelines feature. So if you face this kind of error which is your account has been locked for violating community guidelines and you want to fix that. So to fix this, what you have to do is just simply come back to your home screen, and after coming back to your home screen, now what you can do is in Google you can search for support Snapchat. And after searching for that, here you can find this option which is Snapchat support. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now what you have to do is just tap on the second option which is my account is compromised. So after tapping on my account is compromised, now what you can do is just scroll down and then check all these options if it's right or no. So your first option should be I can't access my account, and the second is yes, and the third one is I think my account was compromised. And after doing that, now you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down you have to provide your account's details like username, email address, mobile number, and after entering all those you have to write the description of the problem that you are facing. And after doing that, just clarify that you are not a robot, and after completing this verification just tap on submit, and after writing your feedback just tap on send, and hopefully your feedback will be accessed by TikTok and accessed by Snapchat, and they might react to your video and they might fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is your account has been locked from violating community guidelines feature. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.